Hey y'all, so our Melaleuca box came in for this month and we're in December for 2020. I just ordered it about less than a week ago. So it didn't take very long. Sorry, I have a cough drop in my mouth. But it didn't take very long to ship. However, this does seem kind of small for the fact that there's like $90 worth of product in here. But a recap from our first Melaleuca box, I got a lot of different cleaners. The floor cleaner that I got, I really like. Well, for all of them, I didn't notice a big smell difference whenever I was smelling the bottles. They smelled clean and fine, but when using them, they all smell a little bit different to me, but they all smell really good. The the daily shower cleaner worked really well for cleaning like that soap scum and stuff off of the shower window. And then I've been using the tub and tile cleaner a lot. Like I've gone through almost a full bottle using it, and I really like it. The generic cleaner that's for like floor and everything else, that one smells really good too, and it's really, really concentrated. Now we've used the dishwasher cleaner and the laundry detergent stuff, and I haven't really noticed a big difference compared to the usual stuff. So it's at least getting the job done. But I haven't noticed that it's just like, wow, fabulous, way better. But it is less chemicals, supposed to be better for us. So if that's it and it's working, it's a win. The kids like their shampoo and stuff, so that just is what it is. All of the chai latte mix is completely gone. So I actually ordered another one in this box so that I can have some. But it was super good and I really liked it. I also ordered some other treats in this box as well. I'm trying to think anything else I had gotten in that first box. But so far everything's been a hit. Like I said, the cleaners, the spray cleaners, fabulous. The dishwasher and laundry detergent, I think it's working just as well, so it's not any worse off. So we're still good there. But we're going to break into this bad boy and remind myself of what all we got. I know I got some treats in this one. And their packing department must be good, because I thought I ordered a pretty good bit of stuff. So we will see. But we've got the little thing on top, so I'm guessing this will come each time where it kind of keeps it stable. A little magazine. I'm guessing one of them or both of them either represent their Melaleuca people. Some packing stuff. So the chai latte mix again. Like I said, I already went through that whole entire bag. So, and this is $10 a bag, which is about comparable to what I see online. So that's not a big change, and this one is really good. Like, it's very seasoned, so I'm just happy with that. So I also got this is a Nutritional Shake thing. It's supposed to block cravings, and we'll see how it does. It's not that big of a bag. How many servings is in this? So this is supposed to make 10 shakes, it says. So we will see if it helps curb my appetite and kind of help slim down. I'm getting some new scrubs, so I want to slim so I fit in them a little bit better. So and I went with strawberry. They had a lot of different flavors on there, but I was hopeful that that would be one of the better. So with the slimming down, I also got a bag of milk chocolate pretzels and toffee. And this one I thought would be a larger bag also, but some treats. Because this was, I think this was $10 also, or maybe this one was like $7. I don't know. But treats, and then these are dark chocolate and sea salt caramel truffles. And then this one was $10. But you hear I have the sniffles and I have winter cold stuff coming on, so I'm glad I went ahead and got some Activate C. This is like their version of Emergency. but with less chemicals in it. And I got the orange flavor. So I'll probably need to do this tonight. This says it's 20 packets in it. Let's see, 15 milligrams of zinc and 1200 milligrams of vitamin C. So pretty cool. How much? And not bad, 15 calories. I still got 2 grams of sugar. But I mean, again, not terrible. And if it helps me get over all of this, then I'm okay. So let's see. So one thing that is kind of crazy is almost all of their cleaning products are concentrated, but they don't come in the bottles. And I get that they're saying it's for like, so you less waste and everything, and that makes sense if it's not the first time, like if you're not getting it for the first time. But the first time you order all the products, you've got to order the bottle separate also. And it's not bad, it's like $1.50, $2 or something for the bottle. But let's see, tough and tender. Oh, let's see, here it is. So this is the spray bottle for this bottle, and it says it's 12 times concentrated. So it's going to be one of those, like you fill to this line down here, and then you fill water to up here. So that's pretty crazy. That's very concentrated. Now I think the Tough and Tender was the one that is good for like upholstery and all that, but let me double check. Safe to use on granite, marble, and natural stone. So maybe not. It says clean counters, cabinets, walls, appliances, light fixtures, and artificial plants. So maybe this is the one I got to clean the kitchen cabinets. Oh, excuse me. Clean. This is the one for the floor. So this is like a super concentrated floor cleaner. And I didn't get, no, this is for that. I didn't get a spray bottle for it because I figured I'd pour it in my mop bucket and be done. So no spray bottle needed for that. Mellow Magic, this is the stuff that I'd gotten the first time that I'd gotten the other size bottle that I really loved. I've been using this to clean countertops and floors and everything, and it smells super good. I can't smell anything right now, but it smells good. Now we did need some more toilet bowl cleaners, so I grabbed one of theirs to see how it works. And then this is the Soluguard Botanicals. This is their version of like Lysol disinfectant kind of stuff. And apparently it's supposed to be like magic cleaning as far as like killing a lot of bacteria and stuff. And I think I actually got 2. No, it looks like I got 2 of the Mellow Magic. So this is the one I already have. I guess I really, really liked it. But this is their disinfectant. So especially with all of this going on and COVID and the winter flu and stuff, I wanted to make sure I get something to clean down surfaces. So that's what this bottle is for. So they did pack it in pretty good. And I still got a pretty good bit of stuff, but that's 2 of the same bottle of cleaner, and I still have quite a bit, so I'm not sure if I just left that in there from maybe a favorites item or something and it shipped. Some toilet bowl cleaner. These shouldn't really count. Let's see. So these are snack goodies. This is a weight loss shake, and then their version of emergency. Not bad. Again, cleaning products can add up quickly, but this total was about $90 again with shipping and everything. And this is what I got, and this is what I chose to do for my whole monthly order. So hopefully it gives you another little insight into some of the things Melaleuca has to offer. Again, I'm not an affiliate. I don't sell it. I don't earn anything. Just telling you my experience and what we're using in Krista's kitchen. But thank you for joining us, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.